Okay, I am entering a trade right now. This is the Hitman strategy, and hopefully I don't get demonetized because there's a song playing in the background because I'm at the store waiting for my prescription to be done, but we are using the Hitman strategy. The Hitman strategy is called such because we locate our target, we go in, execute, and we get out. Now we're using one horizontal line and one trend line for this. This is as zoomed in as I could possibly get. Now if we took a trend line, which I did not need for this, trend line, and we're going to draw it from top left of red down to bottom right of red, where these two lines cross is where we're going to trade, and that's why I took a trade right there. Now if we go look for our support, we're going to see that we have candles that came here to this line and basically reversed. So that's why we drew it right here, and there's multiple places, multiple touches, but why are we only trading $5? Well, that's a great question. I'm so glad that you asked. We just won. We are only trading $5 because I'm trying to make this as realistic as possible for you. Me trading at $1,000 is not realistic for you, right? But trading at a couple of dollars as a beginner is realistic. And my job is to help you leave your 9-to-5 and replace your current income and then make FU money. FU money literally just means any amount of money that you are like, hey, FU, I got the money that I need. Now, you can learn all about that in my Leave Your 9-to-5 program. It's brand new, just launched. I'll put everything down in the description, but you can access all 6 of my courses for free using the link at the top of the screen. You just drop your email and your first name, and it's actually going to give you access to all 6 of my courses plus Discord, where I teach for free. But all we're doing in the strategy is finding a support or resistance, a major one, and then drawing our trend line, and where the two lines cross is where we execute, okay? Now, I do use CCI and Williams to ensure my entry. We're using a 1-minute flag timer, so that means that instead of an exact 60 seconds, we are trading the flag and then choose plus M1, all right? CCI and Williams show me where we're going to potentially have reversals using overbought and oversold conditions, and a bunch of other stuff. So let's see, we are above the SMA, so we do not want to sell here. We're going to go and take one more trade. Look, we have a resistance here. We have 18 seconds left, so let me draw this up real quick. And I think I'm going to sell here if it comes down. Although we are above this line, so I'm not too sure what this wants to do here. We have 2 seconds left. Let's see. I'm not going to do anything because I think it might be touching the support and trying to bounce back up. According to the CCI and according to Williams, it's doing the same thing, so we're not going to do anything here. Let's go find one more. That would have been perfect if it had been just a little bit below that. Here, we're not going to do anything. I know it's a lot harder to see this on mobile, but let's grab one of these puppies. Williams is indicating that this is going to continue coming down, so we are possibly not going to trade here. Oh, actually, this is a great support. So when we hit 0, I'm going to take this. Now, I might lose very simply because we want the first candle, not the second. 2, 1, let's go. All right, we're just going to wait. If you look at the CCI, it's sideways, but the Williams is down, so we might actually lose here. But losing is part of trading, and it doesn't bother me much because, number 1, you learn from every single trade. Number 2, you learn from every single trade. Number 3, you learn from every single trade. Yes, I am being a little bit facetious here, but the entire point is you can't learn without losing. If you had a chart, I would want to see steps. I wouldn't want to see just a sliding thing of win, 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 because that's not realistic, okay? And I would think that you're somehow cheating or using Photoshop or something. So hopefully this pulls up a little bit so we can get our win. We have 8 seconds left. 4, 3, 2, and we won. All right, it's really as simple as that. I really don't recommend that you trade on your phone, but considering that I know exactly what I'm looking for, I mean, come on, you can't see that. You can't see that the candles came up here, they went down, they went up, went down, went up, went down. They keep hitting that level, and then we broke resistance, and it became a support. You see what I'm saying? So if you want to learn how to do this, whether you want to trade $1 or whether you want to trade 100 or 1,000 or 20,000, this is a great strategy that anybody anywhere can use. And I think it's actually great that I am using my phone for this, because I can show you that this is literally, like, I'm literally in CVS pharmacy waiting for my prescription to be done, and I just took 2 trades and I won. So if you want to trade, if you want to win, if you want to get away from the whole, you know, freaking rabbit hole of YouTube strategies, then this is the one for you. And you can learn exactly how to do this for free right inside my courses, as well as Discord. All right, but that is it. Smash that like and subscribe if you haven't done so, and I'll see you later.